Today I'm making Bobotie, the national dish of South Africa. There are a lot of stories about the origin of this dish, but it most likely was imported to South Africa from Indonesia in the 17th century. Dutch traders that were a part of the Dutch East India Company were not interested in colonizing South Africa, but they did set up camp in what is now known as Cape Town as a stopping point on their voyages back from Indonesia. Because the Dutch interacted with Indonesian people pretty regularly, they picked up some of their customs and dishes. This Indonesian dish consisted of meat with a custard topping that was cooked in a pan of water until the egg mixture was set. It was later adapted by the Cape Malay community in South Africa, who were descendants of refugees from Indonesia and Malaysia. This would explain the various exotic flavors used in the dish from all over the world. Though the dish has various versions, almost every version includes bread, chutney, meat, and a custard topping. When the British took over the Cape in 1806, this cuisine as well as many other native customs were nearly driven away. But after apartheid ended, many of these traditions started to come back. Though this dish has been through many adaptations and has gained and lost popularity throughout the years, it still plays a huge part in South African culture and history.